Hey guys, so today we are doing this very sultry, warm, red copper monochromatic look, if you will. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below to become part of the GlamFam, and let's jump into this video. By the way, I've already moisturized and primed my face with NYX's Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Today we are going to be going in with Collab's Meet Your Matte Velvet Foundation, and this is in the color Beige.
I'm no saint. I'm no saint. I'm no saint.
Then I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 12. And we are just going to conceal, but also prime our eyes. Then I'm going to just set everything with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. You got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back.
We are going to be dipping into the Jaclyn Hill palette, this color right here, and we're going to buff that into the crease.
Lose them with.
We're also going to bring that underneath our eye as well. Alright, now we're going to take this color right here, and we are going to put that into our crease. Also, we're going to run that underneath our eyes as well. And then we are going to take this dark red color and put that where we just placed this lighter red color. And then we are going to take that dark color, this dark red color, and we are going to pack that onto our lid. Oh, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors, guys. Then we are going to go in with the Violet Voss glitter, and this is in Cosmic.
work in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with.
Now I'm going to go put my lashes on, and I'm sure you guys can tell I have been really obsessed with Black Label lashes lately. This style is in the style Nora. Look at those. Look at those. I'm going to apply those and I will be right back. Alright, lashes on, check. I'm just going to apply some mascara on the bottom. Today we are going to wear the Deck of Scarlet liquid lipstick, and this is in Slow Jams. It's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. I'm no saint. I'm no saint. I'm no saint. I'm no saint. Losing with you.
This is a Gold Deposit from MAC, and we are just going to take a fluffier brush and we are going to just bronze up our whole face. We are going to go with more of a natural highlight today. This is Lunch Money from ColourPop. Just pat where I want the highlight to gleam.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits.
That is it. I love you guys so much, and I hope you stay and become part of the Glam Fam. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.